This is Tanya. I teach 10th Maths. As you guys know, I have a sister, Tina Lofus. She teach 8th Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 14, Statistics, Exercise 14.1, third question. Alright, now let's read the question. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency F. Okay, so here we have a data. So in this data we have daily pocket allowance in rupees. Okay, so this is in rupees. 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17 and so on. Okay, so here the number of students we have 7, 6, 9, 13 and we have F and 5, 4. What is the meaning of this F? So according to you, F means frequency, isn't it? But here, now the question is, we are supposed to find the missing frequency F. Okay, so here the daily pocket allowance is 11 to 13, 13 to 15. Likewise, here it is 19 to 21. Okay, but we don't know how many number of students are there in this particular F value. Okay, so we want to find the F value. Why? We want the number of students, right? So to find the number of students, we have to solve it. Okay, so now in simple thing I would like to say that we are supposed to find the F value. That's all. Okay, in question itself they mentioned find the missing frequency F. So let us find it. Okay guys, so I just wrote the values as it is. So frequency also it's mentioned in the question, right? So 7, 6, 9, 13 and here it is F. We want to find this F value and then 5, 4. Okay, so this is the frequency and this is the class interval. Okay, alright. So here now the question is which method am I going to use? So here since the numbers are small, so 7, 6, 9, these numbers are small compared to 213, those stuffs and all, it is a little bit bigger number, isn't it? But these all are smaller number, so I am going to be using direct method. Okay, so direct method, for finding the direct method, no, the formula that is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is the formula for direct method, isn't it? So here I need fi xi value and I need the frequency. Okay, so here first of all remember guys, so whenever when I add these numbers, so 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus F plus 5 plus 4, I get 44. Okay, I'll get 44 when I add these numbers, only the numbers, I'm not talking about the variables. Okay, so here what I should do with the F value, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to write 44 into F or 44 plus F? So I am supposed to write 44 plus F. Why? Why? Because here we are adding everything, right? So 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus 5 plus 4 is 44. Okay, and then since we added everything, we are supposed to write 44 plus F. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. Okay, so now since we are going to use direct method, we need the xi value as well as the fi value, isn't it? So here no, when we just did total, no, we got sigma fi is 44 plus F, isn't it? So now we are supposed to find sigma fi xi. So here it is fi into xi, isn't it? So for that we need xi value. How to find the xi value? It's so simple guys. So how to find means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So this is how we find the xi value. So here what is the upper limit? Upper limit means you can think it as greatest number. So here in these both numbers, which is the greatest number? So the greatest number is 13. So here upper limit, that is 13, lower limit, that is 11. So 13 plus 11, it is, when we just add it, no, we'll get 24, isn't it? So now what we are supposed to do is, when we get 24, we are supposed to divide it by 2. Why? Because upper limit plus lower limit, right? So when we just add them, we'll get 24. 24 divided by 2, it is 12. So likewise here also upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. We are applying this formula. Okay, so when we just do that, we'll get 14, 16 and then 18 and then 20,
22 and 24. So here everything is total. Okay, I am doing total here. Okay, don't get confused here. Okay, so here at last what are numbers right now, those all are total. So for a difference, I'll just draw a line here. So guys, here whatever things I'm going to do, that is just a total. Okay, so here when we just did total of Fi, that is frequency, we got 44 plus F. Okay, so now what we are supposed to find is, we are supposed to find the Fi Xi value. So Fi Xi value. How to find it? So here when you just look at it, so here it is Fi into Xi, isn't it? So it is in multiplication. So remember Fi into Xi. So where is Fi? Fi is here, that is 7. What is Xi? Xi is 12 right over here. So 7 into 12. So 7 into 12 is 84. Okay, likewise we are supposed to do 6 into 14 is 84. Okay, so likewise when we just do here when we just multiply, we'll get 144, and here it is 234, and here it is 20. So 20 into F is 20F. Okay, alright, and then 5 into 22 is 110, and then 4 into 24, it is 96. Okay, so when we just do total, we'll get 752 plus 20 into F. Why? Because remember guys, this is a, so here here we have a variable, isn't it? So it is a variable term, isn't it? So rest of them everything is a constant number, but here only this is little bit odd, isn't it? So we are not supposed to add it. So if this is a number, we can add it, but since we have variable, we are not supposed to add it. Okay, so we are supposed to write it like this. 752 plus 20F. Okay, why? Because this we studied in lower classes, that whenever we have a number, we are supposed to add the number, but that with the number, we are not supposed to add the variable term, isn't it? That's why I just did it like this. Okay, so now we have the total for Fi Xi, and we know the frequency, that is 44 plus F, isn't it? So we can actually substitute it, isn't it? So I'm gonna substitute it here. Okay, so here we have X bar. So here what is the meaning of X bar? X bar means total rupees. So here the mean pocket, already they mentioned here the mean, the total mean is rupees 18. Okay, so here we are going to take X bar as 18. So 18 is equal to sigma Fi Xi. Okay, so what is sigma Fi Xi? 752 plus 20F. Okay, this is the meaning for sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi. So here Fi value we got it as 44 plus F, isn't it? So here this is the formula, So now we are going to do divided by, so sigma Fi value is 44 plus 4. Okay, so this is the values, these are the values. Okay, so now we are going to do cross multiply. So let's do cross multiply. So we'll get 18 into 44 plus F, close the bracket, is equal to, and then we'll get 752 plus 20F. Okay, alright. So when we just multiply it, 18 into 44 is 792 plus 18 into F is 18F is equal to, when we just add them, no need to add them, we can't add it. Why? Because here it is a number, here it is a variable term. Okay, so we can actually write it as it is. Okay, so here do you guys see we have variable term and here it is number. So I'm gonna get it to this side. First let me just get the constant term to this side. When I get it to this side, it changes into 752 minus 752, and here it is 20F. So when I get this term to this side, it changes into minus 18F, isn't it? Okay, so when we just subtract them, we're supposed to subtract them. So when we just subtract them, we'll get 40. So let's write 40 is equal to, when we just subtract this, we'll get 2F. Okay, so 40 divided by 2 is equal to F. So cancel, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 0. So what is the F value? So the F value is 20. So this is the answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If doubt, comment it in the comment section.